Hi friends, I'm happy to see you again on my channel, especially with such a lovely holiday coming up, Valentine's Day. I've prepared a super easy and quick tutorial for you. I'll show you how to crochet a heart in just 10 minutes. So check that you are subscribed to the channel, grab your hook and yarn and let's get started. So my heart was crocheted with this yarn, Melissa area, in this color. Micropolyester. But for this video I want to show it with another yarn like this, because it will be more easily for you to repeat it and you will see it clearly with this yarn. So for this yarn, Melissa Mediana in this color, Mediana 30 in 100 grams, 200 meters, and this acrylic. And for this I will use 3.5 millimeter hook. So let's begin. So the first our step is to make foundation chain of 11 stitches. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Then we need to add more 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. So the 3 chains we will count as our first double crochet stitch. Then yarn over into the first stitch from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4. We should make another 7 double crochet stitches. So let's start. Second, so in total we should have 8 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next our step is to make 1 double crochet in another stitch. So 1 double crochet. So now we need to make 3 double crochets work together into 1 stitch. So yarn over into the next stitch, but pull through 2 and don't finish it. Yarn over into the next stitch, pull through 2 but don't finish, and into the next one, pull through 2, don't finish, and then we skip 1 stitch, the next one, yarn over, skip 1, and into the next repeat this. So through 2, don't finish, yarn over and pull through, don't finish, yarn over, pull through, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stitches on the hook and pull through all like this. So the next step, we also make yarn over into the next stitch, make double crochet stitch, and into the last one we should make 8 double crochet stitches in 1 stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. and that is what we have now. Now we should have to turn our work, and this tail also put here, and we will crochet it into our fabric. So now we should make also double crochets, 4 double crochets in the next 4 stitches, following after this. So I make first 1, 2, 3, and the last one 4. So now we have this point where we skip our stitch, you see it, and in this stitch we should we have to make 7 double crochets in 1 stitch. So yarn over and into this, in the middle of the stitch, make the first double crochet, and then the second, the third, and so on. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, and the last one. Again, and the last one. 7. And now we should make only 4 double crochets in these stitches. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's cut our yarn, and now we only have to hide our tail. So pull it through and make like this. So we have this one, the first double crochets, 1, 2, into this second stitch. We should pull it through, and then again on this side pull through, and just hide it. Our tail. And cut these yarns. So here's the result. I hope you liked the video. If yes, please like and leave a comment. Make yourself and your loved one happy. And see you soon. Bye!